Okay, guys, I see many of you have joined. Can someone confirm if my screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay. So I will just be showing you one of it. One, let's say Naukri. You can apply same when it comes to other profile as well, right? So simple. These are very basic things, your name, etc. So not going to explain anything here. This is dummy information I'm uploading. Obviously, if you're experienced, experienced. If you're fresher, fresher. Upload resume. One more thing, guys. Save your resume as PDF whenever you want to share it, because when you uh, when you share it with client or when you share it with HR person nowadays, sometimes they do take this what do you say uh, on WhatsApp as well, right? So it's always a better idea that you share it on the PDF. Why? Because if you share it on a Word file in a Word format, it uh, that does not contain the format when you send it on WhatsApp or Telegram or maybe some other media except for email. And even if it is on email, you are sharing it using MS Office 2013. Someone is opening it using MS Office 27 or 2007, oldest one, right? Then it becomes very difficult. So it's always better idea, and then it becomes it. You always have doubt that. Something can be manipulated or maybe they can change something, right? So it's always good idea to share it using PDF. So here you go ahead and update the upload the resume, same which we have been editing here. Let me close this one. Right, I already have a copy of this in PDF, so I'm not saving it. I'll just go ahead and open that. Just give me 1 minute. I'm looking for the folder location, guys. It's in my screen one. Just give me 1 minute. So let's upload the resume. So this is the resume we'll be uploading. Oh, this is also fine. As of now, this is dummy, so anything is okay. Check this. Becomes easier to get your access updates about jobs, etc. Right? I'm obviously you all of you know. I know that all of you know this, but because I just want get this to be covered in recording. So if anyone wants help, we may have some freshers also, so it can help them. Right? Are you currently employed? Yes, no, based on your mention that total years of experience, job title. Again, this isn't necessary. It has to match your designation, what is there on your salary. Keep it relevant to what is there trending on Naukri or what they're looking for or what you are looking for, right? Initially, don't just, okay, current city is Pune, fine. We'll come to the duration since when you are working. That's okay. Annual salary, do not skip it. Mention it. Notice period. If you're serving notice period, then put it. If you're immediate joiner, I don't think so we have that option. So mention, and if you have 15 days or less joining, mention that. Whatever it is, mention it accordingly, right? Last working day, let's say that I'm going to put today's date. What was the format? Date, month, year. Key skills. This is very important, guys, right? Here you're going to mention your skills, which is going to help you. So you can mention Azure, see Microsoft Azure. Then you have Azure Infrastructure as a Service, VMware if you know, PowerShell if you know, Azure VM. Don't forget migration. I think there's a limit here, and not necessary you have to search one of them. You can just type and click somewhere else. It will pick it up. Then you can say VMSS. Industry, IT service consulting, engineering, hardware. It's not a relevant one. Let's see if we have anything else. Security, software, and QA. What do we have here? Let's see. People who are looking for DevOps have a little bit knowledge of DevOps can go here. Anything related to data warehousing, DBA, administrator, they can select this one. IT service consulting, this should be there for sure. Industry, department, maybe let's see this one. What do we have here? No. Not necessary you have to follow the same. You can do your no, you can do your own research, and if you like, you can keep whatever you want. I mean, if you're getting good responses, then share it with others also. It's not about liking or any other thing. As of now, let's see what do we have under security. Infrastructure service looks good. Here it is, we got it. This looks good, this combination. IT service, information technology, and information security, IT infrastructure services, cloud system administrator. Save and continue. Education, whatever you have. I'm just picking any random things here now. Resume headline, add a good headline. Nowadays, guys, you have a lot of help from Chat GPT, etc. Any generative AI model, right? You can take help from AI and you can fill this information. For example, resume headline could be uh, maybe a BTech graduate with 5 years of experience, BTech computers graduate with 6 years of experience in Azure Cloud administration. Do not use shortcuts. Do not write like this, right? Do not write like this. Experience has to be complete experience. Graduation has to be complete, computer graduate. It has to be complete 6 years. Everything has to be good, perfect, good English, right? Take help from AI. Nowadays, you don't have to worry about it. You write something broken, go to ChatGPT, ask him to rephrase it for Naukri, resume headline. ChatGPT will tell you, or you just upload your resume and tell ChatGPT that you're looking for resume headline. It will give you a headline looking at your resume. You don't even have to worry about it, right? And see, it has already given you a suggestion here. You can simply use this. Azure administrator with MCA in computers currently living in Pune. Sorted, looks good. Don't even have to go somewhere else. Preferred work location. Obviously, people who are from Pune or who are looking for Pune, put Pune first, but don't just put Pune. Even if you are not planning to go to Bangalore, type it. Chennai, let it be there. Hyderabad, let it be there. Right? I mean, if you can put more, maximum 10, so go in this order. Remote, maybe it can be third option, right? Up to you. Not necessary. See, this I cannot tell you. You know where you are residing, what is your future plan. So this is up to you. Someone who's looking for Bangalore, just put Bangalore. But put other cities also, at least initially. Why? Because we need more and more calls. So even if you get a call stating that this opening is for Bangalore location, if it is not an MNC like TCS, Infosys, etc., don't play with them. You are rejected in Bangalore TCS, you are rejected in TCS completely. You're rejected in Infosys Bangalore. You can't even apply for Infosys in Pune for whatever is their cooling period, 3 months or 6 months, right? So don't play with them. Always go for small companies which are coming from other cities also and from current city also. It's okay. Always say yes for that. If they're saying, okay, we have a startup small company, it's only based in Bangalore, 500 employees. We're looking for Azure admin. You'll have to shift to Bangalore. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Say yes, I'm okay. Get this interview schedule, give the interview. You'll at least learn technical questions. You'll have to face that fear. You will get some experience. And fortunately and luckily, if your interview gets clear, you have one offer letter in your hand. Right now, you can decide whether you want to go or not. After taking the offer letter, no one will shoot you if you don't go there. Even after taking the offer letter, you can say, sorry, circumstances changed. I can't switch the city. Could be any reason. I mean, you don't even have to give the reason. You're not obliged, you're not liable to give the reason. But out of humanity, even if you want to talk to HR, you can give any reason that, okay, now condition something different. Maybe my mother is ill, some medical condition is there in house. I am the only responsible person. Whatever you want to give, I can't shift. That time, either they will revoke your offer or maybe they come on the negotiation table. Fine, you can't come. Can you work from home? We have one work for a remote location in Pune as well. At WeWork, we have 2 seats. Can you go over there maybe twice a week? Right? And we have literally seen it, guys. I'm not making this up. In my previous batch, we attempted the interview for one of my students. Similarly like this. Okay, चलो यार ये तो बस कुछ नहीं है practice है. We'll do that, right? The guy was in Sybage. He attempted that, and he didn't want to go to Bangalore. The company is still in Bangalore, right? He didn't want to go to Bangalore, but say let's attempt it. Attempted. He cleared the interview. They offered him the package. He was maybe somewhere on 6. They offered him 14, considering Bangalore. He accepted the offer. Then he didn't want to go. So at the time of joining, he denied, sorry, can't go, not possible. They gave him the exception. Fine, don't come, work from home. We have an office in Kalyani Nagar. You can visit there maybe twice a week or once a week. And that too, it was just on paper. He didn't even have to go over there. And but yes, if there are any meetings, you'll have to come to Bangalore. But because your base location is Bangalore, we will not be paying you for this flight and hotel, etc. Because your base location is Bangalore, you are supposed to be in Bangalore. So whenever you are coming, maybe in 6 months or once a year, that you'll have to bear your expenses. This is how the HR discussed with him, which was fair enough for me, I think. Good enough because it hardly takes 6 to 7 thousand to go to Bangalore, and even if you do a hotel for 1 or 2 day, 10 to 15 thousand maximum. But if you're getting a good job there, you can take it anytime, right? This was just an example. It can happen vice versa or anywhere. Maybe company will revoke your offer letter. Beat anything. Revoking offer letter does not literally mean they will come and snatch the offer letter from you. You still have that offer with you, soft copies with you. You can utilize that to negotiate with other company to look for a counter offer. And God forbid, if you think, no, this is the best opportunity I'm getting. Currently, I'm on 6 LPA. I'm getting 14 plus I'm getting Azure, right? This is going to help a lot in my family situation. Then you can at least take a call, right? You'll be free to take a call. So don't deny it on day one. That is what I'm trying to say. Any call coming from Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Gurugram, remote, Delhi, NCR, anywhere from Mysore or anywhere, any city, any corner of the world. Forget India. If someone calls says that this is from Dubai and this is remote job, yes, fine. Two advantages you have. One is technical learning you will have. You will attend in free. You're getting mock calls. Understand that thing, right? For free, you're getting mock calls, technical mock calls. And if it gets clear, well and good, nothing better than that. Right? And if you don't want to go it, leave it later. So that's up to you. Expected salary, do not leave it blank, right? Don't feel modest about it. कि यार नहीं, is it too much to ask? Put it. If they want, see, even if you put 80 lakhs here, you currently on 14, 1 4, and you put 80 lakhs here, no one is going to pay you just because you have mentioned 80, right? But they'll approach you. Fine, you put a 14, whatever is your expectation, I can pay you 19. This is the job role. Do you want to give it a try? But put it here because in some of the filters which HR put, they also look for preferred salary, and obviously it has to be realistic. A day will come where you will not think about your existing salary, but not today. Initially, we are looking for a job, so we'll have to go by the market rule. Otherwise, I'm sure this day will come in your career also, where you will have that confidence to say, why do you need to know my current salary? You tell me what are you looking for. This is the technical expertise you're looking for. I have that. I've cleared the technical interview. This is the education you're looking for. I have that. This is the experience you're looking for. I have that. Now you tell me what is your budget, because an HR person, a recruiter, when he or she comes to the market, they do not come empty-handed. In at this stage itself, they know the budget, so they're definitely coming with a budget. They're not coming blindly, right? So you tell them, you tell me the budget. What budget do you have? Do you have 50, 60, 70? What is it? If you have 70, why do you want me to pay less? Give me whatever maximum budget you have, right? But not today. That isn't the day. That isn't the approach we are taking today. Today, let's stick to basic. 14 LPA, 35% of 14 LPA, whatever is there, maybe 4 lakh, 4.5 lakh, add it, uh, 19 lakh, make it, put it here, right? Gender, submit it. Now look at this. This isn't completed. Make sure this is 100% completed. Make sure this you fill this based on whatever your experience is there, right? So here we're still pending with some things. Picture. Please upload your professional picture. Do not upload anything random. I don't do that. Please upload your professional picture. It has to be if you have something good in Blazor, etc. I mean, you know what is a formal picture. I don't have to explain it to you guys, right? uh, Verify your number, verify your email address, serving notice period. Okay, here it will come whether you are available in 15 days, right? It helps a lot. Resume, it is updated. Employment, add some complete details. Education, complete details, add IT skills, add project, very important. Add your project, at least one of the projects. When you say project, come here, give a project title, migration, which company, under this company we did it, right? It is not a college project, it is my company's project. Client, do not ever share client's name. Share like this, maybe a UK based bank, if it allows you to. Let me see, is it picking? Yes, it is allowing you. Finished, in progress. Make sure you type the finished one. Work started. 30 machines migration we're talking about, right? So consider 6 months. 6 months you can put here. Details of the project. Make sure you type the more details on that part where you mentioned 30 virtual machines we migrated. Elaborate that. Take ChatGPT's help if you want. Elaborate that and save it. Project has to be there, guys, right? Please mention project. If you have written any research, published white paper, etc., mention here. Work sample, do you have anything in GitHub, etc., mention it here. Online profiles, add your LinkedIn profile here. Okay. Then sorry, certification here. Make sure you add certification. Here you can add as many as you have, but make sure you add active certifications, not the one which have been. Uh, Address, do add that. Work permit, add it. Career break, if there is any. Language is known, very important, right? Sometimes they are hiring for Gulf, and if you know Arabic and some other language, it gives you an edge. Right? Uh, that I'm talking with personal experience. So make sure you add. And here it is giving you what all needs to be added. See, upload a picture, 5%. Job profile, 8%. Language, 2%. Right? Once you're done, then you're done here. Same things you have to do when it comes to LinkedIn. Go to LinkedIn, add everything, create everything, update your resume over there, and then start looking for a job and start applying for the job. And the moment you start applying for the job on LinkedIn and here in some other portal also, it will start giving you similar kind of job. Now let's see if you just look here, and there are a few more tricks I'll show you how to check the latest job. By default, LinkedIn shows you 24 hours posted. I'll give you some hints. How can you check job which was posted last hour, immediately 1 hour back, right? So look at this, Azure DevOps engineer, maybe not related to you or related to you. You can go ahead and read it once. Uh, Look at this, 6 to 9 years required skill, cloud infrastructure, cloud management. Let's click on this and see what is it. Remote Cloud Operation Manager, 35 like CTC, right? What are they looking for? Leadership experience, if you have any. We have someone in this session, right? Uh, then seeking a cloud operation manager to oversee the daily operations, manage cloud uptime, SLA and availability metrics, lead a team. It's almost technical skill. It is matching to all of you, right? Yes, obviously it is talking about 6 to 9 years of experience. Not sure if all of you have it or not, but if it is applicable for you, you can. It was posted 5 days ago. Three openings are there. 247F application. Now understand, if you want your resume to be picked or selected, you have to make sure you work on that. Do not just send a random resume. I have experienced that in my previous batches also, when I have some opening and if I'm asking some resume, people are being very lazy about it. Saying, so sorry, didn't have time. Guys, if you're looking for a job for 35 LPA, and if you don't have time, 35 minutes of time to update your resume and make it look like professional, trust me, then you're not looking for that job. And this isn't from me. This same approach you'll get from hiring manager, same approach you'll get from HR recruiter also. That you're looking for a job of 20 LPA, 30 LPA, and you're saying you don't even have 20 minutes to spend on your resume, then that is very disappointing. Resume has to be up to date every time. No spelling mistakes, no alignment mistake. Don't just overlap anything. Don't just edit it on mobile and send it on WhatsApp. Any random name. No. Strict no to that. Not at all. Right? So please pay attention. Spend some time on your resume. Make it, uh, save it in PDF format. Even if you have to change it 10 times for jobs, do that. If you're applying for 10 different jobs, right, and they have mentioned something, for example, now this resume, it looks good, fine. The only difference here in that resume and here, it's we did not mention anything about leadership experience. So that guy, if he has some experience, he has led a team of 4 or 5, maybe he'll just put some more lines in the resume that, okay, I led a team of 5 people, this is what we did, this is what this is what we have been doing, right? Once that is done, you can upload that resume again, or maybe don't have to upload it on Naukri, but you can send it and click on apply. Do not, do not be lazy about it. This is allowing you to apply on portal itself, but there will be many jobs where you will have to go to the company profile and you'll have to create a profile completely. Do not be lazy about it, right? Go ahead and create your profile. Let me see if I can get any of the example. This is also, I think you can apply directly here. I'm sure you got what I'm talking about, but still I'll see if I can get an example. All this you are able to apply here, but there are jobs, and there are many of them, right? Many of them are there, where you'll have to go to the company's profile. When you click on apply, it will take you to the company's profile and it will ask you to fill complete information. and there you will have to upload your resume from scratch. So before you upload that resume, make sure you read details from here, right? That what they are looking for. Make those changes in your resume, name the resume properly, again save it in PDF and apply. Don't just do it randomly with no passion, no interest, right? If you do that, understand one thing, it is a replica. How you behave towards job and opening and recruiter, they will behave in similar manner. So if you are not bothered for your job and your profile, they won't be bothered about it, right? Your profile is 60% completed. You don't have information, no picture, nothing like that. You haven't mentioned anything about your uh, last working day or your notice period at least, right? No one is going to do that. HR is not spending time on you. Like, okay, let me call and check with him, right? If I see 10 profiles here where I see this person is serving notice period, next person is his notice period is 3 months, the next person his notice period is 2 months, next one is 15 days, fifth person again his is 3 months, sixth, 7% they did not mention about the notice period. They will be my last choice to call and check with them. Okay? Look at the resume name. Now I have update resume option. HR will have download the resume option. I don't want to go with any resume which is written resume new, CV new, right? Here I exactly know what is this guy is working on. Key skill I know, right? So more focus or more time you spend on your profile and applying the job. If you want to add breakup, see, if you want to add breakup, you can do that as well. And do it. This is recommended. If you want to add, is this your fix or variable? If this is with variable, then what is your fixed and what is variable? Let's say out of 14, 13 is my fixed and 1 is variable. So mention that. I told you, you make your recruiter's job easy, your recruiter will prefer you. Right? Instead of HR, a person is calling you and asking everything, and then she or he comes to know that, okay, isn't suitable. Then they don't want to spend time. Okay. So do all these things, guys. One more very important thing. Can you see profile last updated today? Your recruiters can also see it. No one wants to go to a profile. If you see my profile, though I'm not actively looking for a job, you will still see it's always updated maybe in a day or so. Because I'm keep looking for opportunities, right? क्या चल रहा है market में देखना है. So I should get calls. Say this one, I recently got this. Though this is for an architect, right? I'm definitely not looking for a change. Quite happy with my current job, spending a lot of time here, right? I have good plans here. Definitely not looking for a change, but I'm still looking for the interviews just to check what is there in market, what are they asking nowadays, how is it happening, anything changed, what tools are they using, AI kitna impact kar raha hai, right? To check, you have to be there. So you'll see my profile is always up to date. But in your case, you are specifically looking for a job, so it is a mandate for you, right? So you always have to come here and add or remove something, or you just come here. If you don't have anything, just come here and maybe when you go to your address section or go anywhere, there's no full stop in front of name, but I'm just putting it now. For example, I'll just put a full stop, click on save. Tomorrow I'll come here, remove the full stop, click on save. My ultimate aim is profile last updated should be not more than 2 days. For you guys, not more than 1 day. It should always be today. Early morning, once you wake up, before you log into your computer, before you start your work, come here and do this. People who are specifically looking for a job, you guys definitely have to do it, right? And then you can come here and search for job. You can mention details also here that what are you looking for? So you're looking for Azure administrator. As of now, experience, etc. Leave it. Location, leave it. Start searching, start applying. Look at this, 4 to 7 years. Many of you will fit Pune and Kolkata Azure administrator. Click here. What are they asking? Uh, 2 days ago they have only one opening, 96 applicant till now. Extensive experience in Azure managed service. You guys have it. ARM template, we have learned it. PowerShell, we know it. Azure AD authentication, updated mapping, ARM template, right? ASR is same what we have learned. Monitoring, PowerShell. See, look at this. And I told you, do not worry about it if you see everything and anything in JD. They do it. They will keep everything and anything. Don't worry. Your job is to apply. Obviously, don't apply for exactly irrelevant and 180-degree profile. They are asking for DevOps. We haven't done DevOps and you are applying. Doesn't make any sense. Don't waste your and HR's time, right? Don't do that. But this one, this is relevant. See, even Naukri nowadays is giving. You are an early applicant? Yes. Key skills are matching? Yes. Location is matching? Yes. Work experience matching? Yes. You can surely apply for this one. Right? Here also we have some. You can set up an alert. Send me job like this. Now you have an alert. Right? See, now you will get similar kind of job. You can mention that here. So do that, guys, and this is how you update your profile. This is how you apply for job. This is how you should do it. I think that's all we had for today. We have 7 minutes left. I'll keep the forum open for questions and answers. Do let me know if you have any doubts, any questions. And guys, one more request. Whenever you guys are applying for the interview, please share it with me because many of times it happens that I know someone from the panel, we have the questions, etc. Right? Do share it with me. And after the interview, make sure if you have your mobile phone with you, record your interview questions and answers both. Don't just record your side, right? Get some software on your PC to record it. If not, at least write the keywords of the questions or remember those questions and then share it with me later. It will help you all. If you are doing it, it will help someone else. Someone else is doing it, it will help you guys, you, right? Let's say someone is applying in T systems, right? What are questions are they asking? We have a bunch of questions, right? Someone is applying in Capita, someone is applying in Sybase. Similarly, now when you guys go and if you have question, now I think I don't want to name the candidate, but she had an interview with LTI Mindtree. I'll connect with her and take some questions. These are old questions from LTI Mindtree, right? It wasn't even LTI at that time. So now I'm going to take some questions from her and I'll upload it here, right? So when you guys also apply for it, please make sure you share the questions with me. I know you won't remember all of them, maybe just keyword, try to record if possible. Recording will help you a lot to even listen to your own answers. Right? You can share it with me also. I'll also give you feedback. Having said that, we're done with here, guys. One more thing, two quick things I have to share with you. One, it's mock calls, right? I'll be arranging some actual interviewers who take interviews, not from my company, obviously, uh, but from my previous companies or from students who are now working and they are actually conducting interviews. And they are almost there in all of. I have someone in Accenture, I have someone in SCL, I have someone in Hexaware, I have someone in Ethereum. Capita, no, he left. Sybase, I have someone. Toyota, no. No one here, no one here, no one here. Blink, this one. Blaze Clan, I have someone. Uh, so I'll get people from here who are actually conducting interviews, and I'll conduct your interviews mock calls. Whoever is ready, do let me know. Share your resume. It will be a video call. It will be as good as a real. Others can join as spectators. You should guys be on mute. Only one person will be speaking. There will be some questions, some answers, right? And it will be the actual. It will you will feel the actual heat of the interview because these are not uh, they're not teaching someone or they're not doing, they are actually working, they're actually conducting interviews on daily basis, right? So they will have the same feeling and I tell them that I'm hiring someone for my company, can you please interview this guy on behalf of me, right? And they do that. So make sure that you give your 100%. It will be a video call, you be a video ready, you give the good we have done this in the previous batches also and it has helped a lot. Maybe I'll give you one call each, but whoever is ready, share the resume, upload it. First, you upload your Naukri profile, etc., and then we'll come to this. And once we discuss one on one, after that, we are going to come to this, and then you can start getting the questions. By the way, guys, this Blaze Clan Technology, it's a very good company. It is in Pune. Candidates who are especially from Pune, go ahead and look for this, search for this on LinkedIn. Uh, Alert the job profile for this, search for this in Naukri. They have many openings, and it's a good one. You get to learn a lot. It's a good one, right? So go ahead and search for this. There are many companies. I'll keep sharing that now. You also, if you get any opening, feel free to share that in the group. Having said that, we're done with our technical job profile, everything. Now only pending task is getting in touch with you guys one on one for profile discussion, and then we'll decide the mock calls also. And whenever I set up a mock call, I will share the details in the group. Others can join as spectators. I expect them to be on mute. Do not prompt, even if the answer is incorrect. You should not be saying anything on that. Right? Uh, so we're done, guys. One more thing. It's a quick announcement I wanted to make that after this, maybe not immediately. I'm going out of India for a month, so I may not be available. Next month, I'm going out of India, so I may not be available on phone, though my international roaming will be on, right? You can call me, but you may feel that I'm not answering the call, I'm skipping the calls. I will be available on WhatsApp. If anything, anyone has having interview, they have scheduled the interview and they want to get in touch with me, please feel free to text, right? I'll connect with you whenever I get time. Uh, and we can connect if time permits. Okay. One more thing. Once I come back, we are planning to have one batch on Azure DevOps. Not like this, not a 6 month and extensive class. No. What I'm planning, it's the basics of Azure DevOps. Right. I'll be sharing the details in the group. Anyone is interested, let me know. I will not recommend you guys to just go ahead and keep reading and keep spending your money and time. Out of you, maximum should try for a job first. This you can forward it to other people who are already working on Azure. Let them go for DevOps. You should first look for a job, right? That's all, guys. I will stop sharing my screen and I will stop the session. If you guys have any doubts, any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, right? And then we'll decide one-on-one sessions. Still expecting resumes for you from you guys. Few of you have shared it, waiting for others. Okay, let me stop the session. Feel free to text me, call me, or if you have any doubts, any questions. Okay, guys, see you. I'll upload some recordings and I'll be sharing it with you guys. Bye, all. Thank you. Thank you for your patience.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.